Hey my loves, it's your girl Lovely Angel Lady, L to the A to the L. What's up my loves? What it do, baby? So today y'all, we are doing a wig review that is being brought to you by no other than SamsBeauty. Thank you so much SamsBeauty for sending this chica over. Okay, so I teamed up with SamsBeauty to do this sponsored video for y'all. Okay, so I selected this one because I couldn't believe I hadn't reviewed her yet, y'all. So today we are reviewing a Butta unit by Sensationnel. Okay, this is their from their Butta lace collection, Butta Unit 13. Bam, right at you. All right, Butta Unit 13. So she's looking pretty similar on the model and on your girl, L to the A to the Isl. The color I have, y'all, is T2350. And y'all know I love me colors in the red family. I'm not saying she's red as in red like a Corvette or a cherry, but she is a red color. Okay, this is considered a red. So T2350. okay, and I love the dark roots and then how it fades into the color. Yes, yes, yes. Lace wear. Huh? Tell me, y'all. Demon. Lace wear. Lace wear, child. But let's talk a little bit about her, and then I'm going to show you how I style this chick and let y'all be on your way. And then y'all also, when you see the style after it's styled, I show y'all the back and everything. Okay, so sit tight in your seats, don't you go nowhere. If you are not subscribed, it's free, guys. It's free. What are y'all waiting on? Huh, mis amores? What are y'all waiting on? Go ahead and join the fam. All you have to do is press that subscribe button, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit the notification bell. La la la. Because when you do that, you won't miss a beat. You will know whenever your girl uploads something good for you. You heard me? But alright, y'all. So Butta Unit 13. Let's talk about her. She's supposed to have wider parting, but she does have ear-to-ear lace. Okay, and it is HD lace. The hairline is pre-plucked. Very natural looking hairline. Very. Sis is gorgeous, okay? And again, T2350 is the color that I have. And then also, I'm going to show you the special balayage colors as for this particular style, Butta Unit 13. You get these different colors. But y'all, I'm here for this red, and it's like hot right now too, so it's perfect for the color. But yeah, and then again, this is the back of the stock card right here. But the lace is supposed to be virtually undetectable. We all know how that goes when you have brown skin. You can look a little ashy if you don't use makeup. So I did apply my Ruby Kiss 3D Face Creator. And I have mine, y'all, in RDF 11 level 11. Level 11. Okay. Okay. So, I got something on my nail. I'm gonna have to get something and clean this off, y'all. But anywho, it's supposed to be the HD lace is supposed to be undetectable, but you know, if you're a certain color, a certain skin color, it might go better with your skin, you know. So for me, for this girl right here, we gotta do a little tweaking. So anyway, her features are virtually undetectable. HD lace blends with most skin tones, which, like I said, all it took was a little powder That foundation is a cream to powder. But it's ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair, natural density hairline. And so I am going to show y'all how I styled this girl. I did get quite a bit of shedding, okay? When you cut your lace, you always want to sweep around the hairline or whatever, but after that, anything, you know, once you brush through it, you know, once you get all those, you know, little loose hairs off from around your hairline, you shouldn't have a whole lot of shedding. But I did get quite a bit of shedding, but it did help when I used that wig detangling spray. It's actually leave-in conditioner. It's Bobo's, this one right here, Bobo's Remy leave-in conditioner. And I did also use my wax stick in styling. And what else? We used our Gotta Be Ultra Glue styling gel. That's a little cutie patootie, so tiny. And then this one, y'all, is Gotta Be High Insta Hold. This is high hold hairspray for all day control, but I did use that also. And I just went in with my hair dry. So that's pretty much the tea on sis. But let me tell y'all a little bit, like up in here I have some little Tweety birds sticking up that are like a little shorter than they almost like the length of the baby hairs, but you know, once I part it and brush that back, you can't even see it. But yeah, so I don't think all the units would be like that. It might just be this one. But other than that, aside from some shedding, I think she's gorgeous. Her hairline is A1, okay? A1. I'm loving, I'm really here for the hairline. I'm here for the color, because y'all know I love anything pretty much in the red family, and I've been getting into a little bit more blondes and stuff lately, because I didn't feel like, I don't know, I'm not like super dark, but certain blondes I used to be like really afraid of wearing until I actually colored my little bald head blonde and loved it. Okay, which was, that right there was inspired by Wigs and Wanderlust. Says I love you like that. Yeah, I love her. But y'all, hopefully you know, I've answered your questions. Did they say anything about, she has like a natural density? Oh, as far as like the like she's just full enough, y'all. But as far as like the cap size, my hair is back cut short, like super short again, but I can you know, put my finger in there and move it around quite a bit. I got inches under there. So for my big head cuties, y'all alright. Y'all should be good with this one, you heard me? So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I styled sis, and then go from there. You can, considering that, you know, you get you do get the parting area right here, but she does have like across the whole front is where you get your lace. So that's, you know, if you did want to like clip her back or something a little bit, you could, but you're just not gonna get a part on the other side, because as you can see, this is what the parting looks like right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch how I styled this girl. And once y'all finish watching me style this chica, then sit tight for the pics, and your girl is gonna catch you soon, because like I said, we're gonna keep rolling, baby. We got a lot of videos to get on out. So your girl, L to the A to the L, loves you so much. Y'all be blessed, stay safe, be kind, be loving, have love in your heart. Don't let nobody turn your heart cold. All right? Okay, my loves, your girl is gonna let y'all finish watching the vid. Hope you found it helpful. Hope you've joined the fam, because I really need to have you in my life. Thank you again, Sam's Beauty, and y'all sit tight. All right.
inside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something